Okay, so we continue our exploration of modern AI tools and application to data analytics in Excel, and today we'll talk about Claude AI. So surprisingly, the capabilities of Claude AI in free version are actually much better than of ChatGPT, again, to my big surprise. Because, of course, everybody talks about ChatGPT, Claude AI maybe is not so popular, but since I'm talking about free versions, again, Claude AI here is apparently better. Of course, if you have a paid version of ChatGPT, it does have this data analysis GPT kind of block, but Claude AI can do it even with this free version. So let's look at our second example today. So the second example, it's about unleashing the power of Claude AI for exploratory data analysis, and we'll start from a blank sheet of data and ask Claude AI to analyze that without providing any additional information, without using Excel, just straight from the browser. And then we'll try to look at the correlations, we'll see if we succeed, and then we'll try to plot a histogram. So pretty much the same as we did in the previous videos, but we did it in Excel, and here we'll try to do it in Claude AI. So let's go to Claude AI, and again here I'm using a free version of it, and you see here you can attach a file of interest, so we can click on that and then can formulate our question. But when I click on that and try to upload my Excel file, it actually doesn't see Excel files. So in the bottom part of the window here, you can see what is supported. We have doc files, we have PDF files, and if you scroll down, you can actually see CSV files. And it's really helpful because you can pretty much save Excel file into CSV file and work from there. So let's do this step first. So this is our familiar dataset on house prices, which we actively use in this course. So let's go to File, select Save As, and then choose the option that it should be a CSV file, not an Excel file, delimited file. Click Save, and then we understand that it can only save one page, which is okay. So we click OK here, and then we go back to Claude AI, select this option of uploading documents, click on this file, click on open. And now we get an error message here that we are 180% over the length limit. Again, it's one of the problems with this free version, but we can easily solve this problem. So for example, we can remove approximately half of our data set to have enough data. And of course, if you are serious about data analytics, maybe you'll buy a paid version of that, but for quick and dirty analysis, I think it's still pretty good. So let's cut half of our sample. So working now in the CSV file, I can first use a view panel and then use a split option to split my screen so that it's convenient to move. And again, to be on the safe side, let's keep just the first 1,000 of the houses in the sample. So let me pick A1001. And from there on, I'll remove everything else here, just from this line 1001 until the end. And of course, again, if you want to use a paid version, you don't have to do that. But even with the free version, you still can do this quick and dirty analysis. And of course, if your houses are not in a random order, you may want to randomly remove those observations, right, using a command in Excel. Let's save it. And now let's reload it into Claude AI, this shorter version, and we don't see this problem anymore that we are over the limit. Let me add my text. What can you say about the attached data? And just print enter. And after a few seconds, Claude AI produces this interesting information. Of course, you understand that each time this is obtained from their model, right? So you don't get it from the data set. And if you don't get something like that, just start a new conversation here and enter the same text, because sometimes it produces different results. Just get this plus here and restart your conversation, right? Because obviously it can give you different answers from what you see on my screen. These and other great examples are coming from our best-selling course, Quantitative Methods in Excel with ChatGPT and Claude AI. So if you'd like to get access to the data and get certified by Udemy, please check the link in the description. Thank you!